Okay, so what we're going to do today is that I'm going to show you how to do the chair, but in this case we're going to start using curves instead of polylines, so the chair doesn't look so straight during the corners. So what we're going to do is that since you're going to use tubing, there are some corners and some attachments for the PVC pipes that you're going to use, and they're going to look like curves. Okay, so in this case we're going to use large objects, centimeters. Okay, and instead of last class that we did it by 10, we're going to do it 20. Okay, so every side of the chair is going to be 20 centimeters. So the first thing we're going to do is that you should have snap and planner activated and always disable snap. Okay, so we're going to maximize the top view and we're going to click on curve, control point curve. It's the one next to the polyline. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start my drawing in -10, 10. So I'm going to click there, and here's the difference. Instead of going all the way to the corner, I'm going to go 1 centimeter before. So I'm going to go to 9, 10, click there, then 10, 10, click again there, and then 10, 9. So I'm making like 3 points on the corner so it can look like a curve. Okay, same thing I'm going to do down here. I'm going to click one before, okay, and I'm making 3 points. Now here's the thing, before we continue we should always make 3 points. My third point, since I'm gonna go up, it has to be on the other view. It has to be on the front view. So I'm gonna click on -9, -10, then I'm gonna click on -10, -10, and then I'm gonna go to my front view. Here I am, to my front view, and I'm gonna go up. Okay, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna go to -10, 19. Okay, then -10, 20, and then I'm gonna turn around and click on -9, 20. Okay, so that's basically what I'm gonna do. Now I have to go all the way to the right to 920. Okay, then 1020, and then of course 1021. So I have the little curve over here. Okay, now I have to go up 20 more. So here I have I'm gonna go to 1039 and click there, 1039, then 1040. Okay, now as you see, I need to go to the right view, okay, and continue my chair over here. So I just go up and then move to the right view, and I'm gonna click on the right view, -9, 40. Okay, and I'm gonna continue to the right. Now the other coordinate will be 940 on the right view. Okay, then 1040. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down 1039. So I'm gonna go down all the way to 1021. I'm gonna click there, then I'm gonna click on 1020. Okay, then I'm gonna move again to my front view, and I'm gonna make my coordinates will be -920 on the front view, -920. Okay, then -2020. Okay, then -2019. Now after I did that, I'm gonna go down again to my can be my starting point. So I'm gonna click on -20 -21, okay, then I will go to -9, 0. Okay, now I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to have my chair over here. Okay, now for this chair I can do the same thing, so I'm going to do pipe. Now I'm going to select the curves that I want to make the pipe around, and I'm going to choose 1 as a diameter, so I'm going to click enter, enter, and enter again, and here I have my pipeline. Now ghosted is going to look like this. Now it looks more like the chair. Now what I only need to do is that I'm going to create the little chair on the seat. I'm going to create the seat, and I'm going to create the back part of the chair. Okay, so I'm going to create a rectangle over here. I'm going to make a rectangle on the top view, which I will extrude later on. Okay, I created the rectangle, and I'm going to choose solid, extrude planar curve, straight, and I'm going to extrude this just a little. I'm going to extrude it 2 centimeters. Okay, and on the front view I will pull it up, okay, so it can be on my chair. Okay, now I can make the same, but this time I'm gonna draw the rectangle on the right view, so I'm gonna draw a rectangle over here. Okay, doesn't matter how, you can choose the size. Okay, so I'm gonna make a rectangle in this case, and I'm gonna extrude this rectangle solid, extrude planar curve straight, and I'm gonna choose also 2 centimeters. Okay, now I need to move it on the right so it can fit my. Now if I want to hide this curve, I can select it and just click on the little light bulb over here, so we can have our chair. Okay, so this looks more like the real chair. Okay, looks more like a real chair. Now you guys can fillet these edges over here using the tools we saw last class. Okay, so this is my presentation for using pipes, okay, and using curves on different viewports. So thank you very much.